In this video, I am going to show you how we can find duplicates in Excel. So first of all, here I have a list of numbers in the column A, and you can see I have type 26 numbers. So we will find duplicates in these values. So first of all, you have to select the uh, column where you want to find the duplicates. And there are two ways. First is you can view the duplicates and then remove it. And the second option is uh, will not give you the chance to view the duplicate. It will simply remove it. So depend on you, whatever you want to achieve. The first option is using conditional formatting. Conditional formatting, we can click on conditional formatting and highlight cell rules. And here you can see duplicate values. So just click on this and you will see the duplicate is selected and the color whatever you want to select. Default is light red and click on OK. So the duplicate will be highlighted like this. So if you want to remove the duplicates, simply go to data and here you can see remove duplicates and select your column and click on. So all the duplicate will be removed. So these are the two methods you can use to remove the duplicate. First, you can highlight the duplicate and then use the data tab and the remove duplicate feature to remove the duplicates. Thanks for watching.